Okay, I don't have much time today because I've got plans. I gotta leave. But, actually, I think today, instead of adding a feature, I'm gonna try to kind of, condense some of our code a bit, and kind of flesh out some of the notes so that we can sort through our code easier, because right now I'm having to scroll, who knows how many lines, through 600 lines here to find different sections. And if we know, if we take good notes, we can kind of control find and jump through our code and find things easier. So the way we can do that in Lua is just these little brackets here, which we can then I know there's a way we were just doing this. Oh, it's gotta be... I think if it's there on the first line, yeah, then we can close it. Okay. So I'm just gonna write some notes. This is all of our tester stack. Populates control grid to unassigned. Now, I think that's... Where do we use this control grid? I'm not even sure what we do with this. Oh. Okay. Yeah, control grid is a table that holds in a string of who has control, which is actually stack control in our occupant. So I don't think we actually need this. No, we do use it. Well, let's see if we use it. No, we don't use it. We populate it. Oh, wait. See? We have an occupant.control. Yeah, we took that out. We don't even have that. We're not even using that. I think we can just get rid of this. Because right here we're supposed to be populating that control grid to be true if our grid.control, but that's in an occupant, and we don't have a dot control, we only have stack control, so. And we don't have this control grid table. Yeah, it's easier to just have control as a member in our occupants. If I delete all the instances of this control grid, I think it won't even change anything. Let's see if we can delete this. We comment out all of our control grid logic. I don't think it'll actually change anything, meaning we can just delete it because we're not implementing that correctly anyway. Yeah. So I've turned all that control grid stuff off. And if we load our game, drop a couple stones. Yeah, I don't think it affects anything. I think we can just get rid of it. You know, we have to do something for that. It's just that we moved it to stack control instead of this control grid. I forgot we had that. So we can take out that instance of it, and then this instance of it. And then this is all just pseudocode, which we're working on right now. We actually kind of got through some of that. You know, add stack order for members. We kind of done that already. Cycle through occupants, check control. See, that's what we need for the control stack. Highlight orthogonal spots that are empty. We do that. Yeah, we're working on that. We're working on that. Yeah, I have a decent idea what we need to do for that. So this should tidy up our code pretty substantially. I mean, decently. Doing a Harry Potter night tonight, which should be fun. I just have to go get some groceries for it and whatnot. Yeah. We need to fix this grid reset. So we don't have to keep exiting the game and restarting it. We won't do that just yet. Today's gonna be a short day. Sound effects are here. You know, this way we can kind of, at a glance, see what line of code we might need to, or which topic of code we might need to do, so we can cycle through our lines easier. Not too worried about the debug. I know that's at the very bottom. Renders stone selection at mouse position. Sure. Renders placed stones. Sure. Stone select. Yep, we can close that. What is this doing? If move type move, then for the amount of members, or for the occupants, we give the members our mouse stones X position. Okay, so this is mouse stone position. Then populates the mouse grid with cursor location. Okay, that's pretty self-explanatory. Sets selection highlight if under a mouse cursor. Yeah. But it's actually doing legal moves. So plus placement highlights. Okay. Click detection. Yep. That's a big one. This is still in click detection. Yeah, this is what we were working on yesterday that we gotta fix. We close this. Okay. So this should be the last line of our click detection. No? Right here is what we have wrong. We're still messing this up here. There we go. First stones dropped. Yeah, that's what this is. So this is first stones dropped. And then move one legal highlights. Yeah, that's exactly what that is. Okay, what is this? This is flushing our legal move, false legal moves. So falsifying legal moves. So what we do is, if it's orthogonal, we say it's legal, and then we cycle through and say, hey, by the way, if it's a capstone or a standing stone, it's actually not legal. That's just how we decided to do it. Okay. I'm going to leave open our click detection because that's what we're basically working on now. So now if we're scrolling, you look how much easier it is to add new values here and then find our spot again. That's nice. Yep. Okay. This is pretty good. Cool. So now we've got a smaller chunk, more fleshed out lines, so we can kind of follow, find our code easier. So if we know we want to touch sound effects, that would be helpful. Leave that on. Make sure none others off. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And then I'm going to leave us a note. Actually, let's check our... Yeah, our occupants and members don't have much logic, so we don't really need to clean those up. It's mainly just our place state here. I'm going to leave us a note saying... fix reset grid. Put a smiley face because it's something I don't want to do, but I should do. Cool. Okay, yeah, like I said, not a big day. Just wanted to program today before I just, I'm just so busy, and then I didn't want to miss a day, so I just got a little something done. And all we did was add sectioned notes to playstate for clarity. I guess, oh, I messed that up. I'm just gonna run it and see if we broke anything. We should add sounds upon the drop as well. And then not sounds if we're in the move and left and right are hit, so we'll add a quick note of that too. Add stone sound or dropping stones. And then remove left and right sounds if in move type move. So those are 2 sound effects notes. Okay. So let's see one more time if our placement is looking right. Seems to be working. Cool. Nice. Okay. So git add everything with a commit message saying added sectioned notes to playstate clarity, and then git push it. And yeah, short day. I'll be back tomorrow and we'll do a substantial day. We'll probably fix a couple of these things. We'll fix reset. We'll fix the reset. We'll fix the sound effects, and then hopefully we'll be able to fix this occupant logic for our mouse stones so that bug gets removed, and then we'll be in pretty good shape to add in our upwards pickup stones functionality once we got our movement origin locked. And then I'm actually curious where we populate our mouse stones members. Yeah, where do we do that? Where do we do that? Because look, I'm looking at right here, our mousestone members, we're getting a member object in our members table. But we would need to do that for every member so it doesn't crash, and I'm not exactly sure where we do that. Sorry, it's gonna drive me crazy. Let me just try to find it. What the heck? We don't do it? Oh, no, we do it right there. And populates grid table. That's right there in the very first one in our knit here still. Okay, we can get rid of this. And if we get rid of that, it shouldn't crash anything. I should have known it was in the knit, but I don't know why I didn't think about that. Okay. Okay. So we're good. We've got a game plan for next episode. I'm actually curious if we do the same thing with occupants. No, we don't. Because we only need the one occupant for a milestone. That's right. Okay. Well. We're saved. Our get diff will have this, but we'll push that change tomorrow. It'll be fine. Okay, I think we're good. I will catch you guys tomorrow for a more substantial update. And yeah, it's gonna be, you know, we're coming up on the hardest part of the game, which is our locking in our move detection for our movement direction for our stone placement. But yeah, it's chugging along.